All right, folks. Good morning. All right, let's get started here. So for today, March the 13th, we have the following information. Thursday, March the 13th. All right, we have core. We had core PPI, which came in less than expected, a lot less than expected. Negative 0.1%. Expectation was 0.3. PPI month over month came in lower than expected as well. Expectation was 0.3%, comes in at 0%. And unemployment claims came in lower than expected. Expectation was 226,000. We get 220K. So these numbers actually are pretty good as far as what it means. Although the unemployment coming in better than expected could be considered negative by the markets, since that would technically give the Fed less of an incentive to lower interest rates, but we'll see. At 1:01 p.m. Eastern, we'll have the 30-year bond auction. Not a major report. And then that's it. So we don't have any major economic data that should affect the stock market. Taking a look here at the QQQ ETF. Yesterday's action was mostly neutral. We were trading in between the opening price of that day and the closing price of the day before. Right now, it looks like we're going to open slightly lower than where we were at yesterday's close, but looks like we're still trading in the same range. We did not find any opportunities yesterday. We did take a look at Comcast. We weren't able to catch that early enough, so we broke even on that one, but it was a decent move down at first, but then it flattened out after that. All right, having said that, let's take a look at which stocks are moving in today's pre-market and see what we got. All right. So first up is CCLD. That is presently up about 45%. On 1.9 million shares is at least $1 per share, so that fully qualifies. So we will definitely add that to our pre-market watch list. The symbol again is CCLD. All right, next up is CRVO. And that is up about 29%, 25.5 million shares is at least $1 per share. So we can go ahead and add CRVO to our list. Next up is INTC. And that's currently up about 13.6% on 11.5 million shares. And it's over $1 per share. So we'll add INTC to our list. Next up is NVIDIA. All right, that's only up 0.68%, so not enough. Next up is, let's see, Palantir. No, that's not moved enough. Let's see, RGTI perhaps. Nope, it's only up 1.79%, so not enough. Let's keep going. Our RNAZ is under $1 per share, so we won't even have to look at that one. And let's see, SCNX probably is not moved enough, but we'll see. Yeah, only down 1.6%. Had moved a lot more earlier, but not right now, so we'll pass on that. And SNES, that presently is up 8.26%, 2 million shares. It's at least $1 per share, so that does fully qualify. We'll add that to our radar. Let's see. Next up is SoFi. One second here. And that's only up 1% at the moment, so it doesn't qualify. We can skip that. Yeah, Tesla doesn't qualify either. Next is VNet. All right, that's down 10.36%. 1.4 million shares traded, and it's at least $1 per share. So we'll add VNET, sorry, VNET to our pre-market list. All right, so that's all we got. So if you guys see any other stocks meeting all four criteria, let me know in the chat. We'll take a look. Yep, it looks like it is pretty thin, but we'll see. All right, so we'll go ahead and wrap up for today's pre-market pulse. Please be sure to like the video. See, we have 4 likes, more than 4 people watching, so please be sure to hit the like button, which greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please be sure to subscribe to our channel so you get notifications. Also, if anyone's watching this video on a replay and you're not familiar with our company, check out fundertrading.com, our website. You'll see a link in the description to this video. And for everyone part of the coaching program, I'll see you there in about 21 minutes. We'll pick up for today's trading. All right, folks, have a great trading day. I'll see you for tomorrow's pre-market pulse. Take care.